Looking for the best integrated amplifiers in 2025? In this video, we're counting down the top 7 best integrated amplifiers, ranked from number 7 to number 1, covering everything from sound quality and connectivity options to design and value for money. Our number 1 pick stands out as the best overall, and you won't want to miss it. Check the description for links to all the models mentioned. Let's get started. At number 7, Cambridge Audio's CX-A81 MkII is a powerhouse in a sleek lunar gray chassis, delivering 80 watts per channel through Class AB amplification. What sets this amp apart is its pristine sound quality, thanks to the upgraded ESS Sabre ES9018K2M DAC, supporting high-res audio up to 24-bit/384 kHz PCM and DSD-256. Bluetooth aptX HD ensures you get wireless audio without compromising fidelity, while a wide range of inputs, including balanced XLR, USB audio, optical, coaxial, and RCA, make it versatile for any hi-fi setup. The internal toroidal transformer and dual mono design offer superior stereo separation and dynamic performance. You'll notice exceptional clarity in the mids, a spacious soundstage, and bass that feels tight and controlled. It's an excellent match for discerning listeners who crave detail and dynamics. The slightly forward sound signature gives music an engaging presence. However, the lack of a built-in phono stage and HDMI ARC might be a downside for vinyl lovers or home theater users. Still, for pure music enjoyment, the CX-A81 MkII stands tall in its class. A perfect balance of modern features, timeless design, and powerful performance. The price is $1,199 best value. At number 6, WiiM Amp is a versatile multi-room streaming amplifier designed for the modern audio enthusiast. Its key strength lies in seamless compatibility with popular streaming platforms like Spotify, Amazon Music, and Tidal, alongside support for AirPlay, Google Cast, and Alexa voice control, making it an excellent choice for smart home setups. Equipped with HDMI inputs, the WiiM Amp easily integrates with your TV or AV system, allowing you to enjoy high-quality audio from multiple sources with minimal hassle. The space gray finish offers a sleek, contemporary look that fits effortlessly into any living space. With powerful amplification, the WiiM Amp delivers clear, dynamic sound that fills the room, making it ideal for streaming music across different zones or as a standalone stereo amplifier. Voice control further enhances the user experience, enabling hands-free operation. Its compact design hides a surprisingly rich audio performance, balancing tight bass with smooth mids and detailed highs. However, it's not a traditional integrated amplifier in the classic hi-fi sense. Some audiophiles might prefer a more analog-focused sound signature. For those seeking smart, multi-room streaming capabilities combined with solid audio quality and convenience, the WiiM Amp is a compelling choice. The price is $379 best smart streaming amp. At number 5, McIntosh MA252 is a beautifully crafted hybrid amplifier that merges the warmth of vacuum tubes with the power and precision of solid-state technology. Delivering 100 watts per channel into 8 ohms, this amp offers dynamic and detailed sound with rich musicality. The tube preamp section provides that classic tube warmth, while the solid-state output stage ensures strong, reliable performance. With its iconic design featuring a polished stainless steel chassis and glowing tubes visible through a glass front panel, the MA252 is as much a visual statement as it is an audio powerhouse. Connectivity options include balanced XLR, unbalanced RCA inputs, and a moving magnet phono stage, making it perfect for vinyl lovers and digital enthusiasts alike. The sound profile balances smooth mids and shimmering highs with tight, controlled bass, making it versatile across music genres. It also includes a high-quality headphone amplifier for private listening sessions. For audiophiles seeking a perfect blend of vintage tube warmth and modern solid-state power, the McIntosh MA252 delivers an exceptional listening experience. The price is $4,000 best hybrid design. At number 4, Hegel H600 is a powerhouse that combines cutting-edge technology with exceptional audio performance. delivering 303 watts per channel into 8 ohms, and capable of driving loads as low as 2 ohms. It ensures effortless control over demanding speakers. Its dual mono design emulates the performance of 2 mono amplifiers within a single unit, providing enhanced channel separation and reduced crosstalk. Equipped with Hegel's proprietary Sound Engine 2 technology, the H600 minimizes distortion and delivers a clean, natural sound. The integrated DAC supports high-resolution formats up to 32-bit/384 kHz PCM and DSD-256, ensuring pristine digital audio playback. Connectivity options are extensive, including USB, coaxial, optical, and network inputs, along with support for streaming services like AirPlay 2, Spotify Connect, Tidal Connect, and Roon Ready. This versatility allows seamless integration into modern audio setups. The H600's minimalist design, featuring a solid aluminum chassis and intuitive controls, complements its high-performance capabilities. Whether used as a standalone amplifier or as part of a larger system, the Hegel H600 delivers an immersive listening experience that meets the demands of audiophiles. The price is $12,500 best for audiophiles. At number 3, Yamaha A-S1200SL is a beautifully crafted integrated amplifier that combines nostalgic aesthetics with modern engineering. Delivering 90 watts per channel into 8 ohms and 150 watts into 4 ohms, it provides ample power for a variety of speakers. The toroidal transformer ensures efficient power delivery, while the mechanical ground concept minimizes unwanted vibrations, resulting in expressive and rhythmic bass. Designed with a nod to the golden era of hi-fi, the A-S1200SL features LED illuminated level meters that convey the dynamics and pulse of the music. The floating balance power amplifier and low impedance design contribute to an open and natural soundstage, bringing the artist and listener closer together. Connectivity options include unbalanced RCA inputs, a discrete phono stage for both and MC cartridges, and a 1/4 headphone output. The original speaker terminals are cut from pure brass, ensuring a highly secure connection. The heavy-duty chrome-plated iron feet add to the amplifier's rigidity and stability. With its combination of classic design, high-quality components, and exceptional sound performance, the Yamaha A-S1200SL stands out as a top choice for audiophiles seeking a premium integrated amplifier. The price is $2,999 best design streaming. At number 2, Marantz Model 50 is a premium integrated amplifier that combines classic design with modern performance. Delivering 70 watts per channel into 8 ohms and 100 watts into 4 ohms, it provides ample power for a variety of speakers. The Class AB amplification, coupled with Marantz's hyperdynamic amplifier module, HDMSA3 circuitry, ensures pure, detailed sound reproduction. Designed with a nod to Marantz's heritage, the Model 50 features a sleek black finish and a minimalist front panel. The front panel tone control knobs, treble, bass, and balance knob, left/right, allow for fine-tuning of the audio output. Connectivity options include 6 analog inputs, a moving magnet, phono input, and a power amp direct input. The stereo preamp outputs add flexibility to your audio system setup, allowing for connection to a subwoofer, additional channels, or multiple listening zones. With its combination of classic design, high-quality components, and exceptional sound performance, the Marantz Model 50 stands out as a top choice for audiophiles seeking a premium integrated amplifier. The price is $1,800 best for vinyl enthusiasts. At number 1, Rotel Michi X3 Series 2 is a high-end integrated amplifier that combines exceptional power, advanced technology, and elegant design. Delivering 200 watts per channel into 8 ohms and 350 watts into 4 ohms, it provides ample power for a variety of speakers. The Class AB amplification ensures dynamic and detailed sound reproduction. Equipped with an 8-channel ESS Sabre ES9028 Pro DAC, it supports high-resolution audio formats up to 32-bit/384 kHz PCM and quad DSD, delivering pristine digital audio playback. The integrated DAC ensures accurate and detailed sound reproduction from digital sources. Connectivity options are extensive, including USB-B, coaxial, optical, and Bluetooth aptX HD inputs, as well as analog RCA and XLR inputs. The amplifier also features a moving magnet phono stage for vinyl enthusiasts. A full-size 6.35mm headphone output is included for private listening sessions. The sleek industrial design of the Michi X3 Series 2 fits seamlessly into any modern living space, while its robust build quality ensures durability and longevity. Whether used as a standalone amplifier or as part of a larger system, the Rotel Michi X3 Series 2 delivers an unparalleled listening experience. The price is $5,000 best overall. Thanks for watching our top 7 integrated amplifiers of 2025. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Check the description for all product links. Share your favorite amp in the comments below. See you in the next review.